Hello guys, welcome to Baku Smart Tech. Right now with you I'm going to show you how to create a Discord account. In order to create this Discord account, firstly go to your Play Store, then go to the search bar, then search for Discord. When you search for Discord, tap on the install icon. When you tap on the install icon, open the application. After opening the application, it's going to pop you up to this page like this. Then tap on register. When you tap on register, then it's going to take you up to this place where you can use your phone number. But right now with me, I'm going to use my email instead of the phone number. So if you like, you can use your own phone number, but me, I'm going to use my email. After putting on my email over here, then I'm going to tap on next. When you tap on next, then it's going to pop you up here where you are going to choose your display name, where your name is going to be displaying, how your name is going to be displaying. Then tap on next. After tapping on next, then here you are going to put in your password. You are going to create a new password that you'll be using. After that, click on next. After clicking on next, here you are going to choose your date of birth. After that, then tap on create an account. After that, tap on confirm, so that you are going to perform a reCAPTCHA over here. You are going to complete it. Then this shape over here, you are going to drag it to fit into the missing shape over here. Now after filling the gap, tap on verify. Then after tapping on verify, then tap on next. Then here you are going to tap on skip. Then here you are going to tap on allow people to find you. Then here you can just tap on skip. Then after tapping on skip, then here you are going to tap on skip again. Now you have already created your Discord account. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.